Hi, healthy people, because it's health class. Healthy people. I try. So this is a second video in a set of 2 videos to help you get caught up if you don't have any stickers. So I'm going to pick right up from where I left off. So I just explained to you that you're going to title, so you copied some stuff from Schoology. You copied the assignment for week 3 from Schoology. You pasted it into a new Word doc. You titled it with your name, week 3 health. You shared it with me, and then you can start the assignment. So going over the assignment, it says that you have to download the notes and watch 4 videos. Okay, so I was showing you the notes, and I had just downloaded them. Download the notes. These are the notes. And then the videos, guys, you can find them in 2 places. You can find them here in your directions, step 3 directions. You can click on the videos. Actually, it's easier. So you just bam, right click on there. Click, bam, right. You can access them right here in your directions. And you can also access them, again, we are in the week 3 materials, learning target 2 section, yellow, right? You can access them here as well, video 1, 2, 3, and 4. The only trick with accessing them here, it's kind of stupid. So you have to click on this, and then you have to click on that title again. It doesn't say it, but you have to click on the title again. And then it will bring you to YouTube. Okay? I don't want to show me twice here. So, all you have to do to complete the second sticker requirement is watch the 4 videos first. The videos will go through the notes, so you want to have the video open and you want to be looking at the notes. It's going to go over all of the notes, and then you follow the directions in the video. Okay? So it looks like there's a lot. Let me just go through it here. So question 1, you are going to answer this from the notes. So it says, which groups on slide 3 in the notes are your peer groups? Okay, so then you're going to go to slide 3 in your notes and say, out of your friends, your mom, your elders, your grandparents, your teachers, your kids in your class, who are your peers? Okay, that's the first question. Then it says, before movie questions, you are answering the 5 questions on slide 4. You do not have to write the questions, just the answers. So then you're going to go to slide 4, guys, and answer these 5 questions. Again, don't have to write down the questions, just the answers. And then you're going to end up watching a video, right? I think the video is like 10 minutes or less. You might end up watching it twice to get their names. It took me 2 times to get all their names, but I'm bad with names, so. And then it says after movie questions. And this is where you're like, what? What is she, crazy? I'm not asking for a text. Like, I'm not asking for a paragraph for each of these guys. I'm asking for pretty basic answers. And if you're like, wait, what questions? They start on slide 6. The movie, the link to the movie is right here. You just have to click this, and it's going to bring you to this movie page. It's called Back Me Up, and then you can hit play, watch the movie. Again, it is... it's only 5 minutes. I was wrong. You should watch it 2 or 3 times. And then going back here, so you were able to get the link for the movie on slide 5 right here. And then the questions for the movie start on slide 6. So 1, 2, 3. 3 questions right there. Again, you don't need books. You don't need to... What I mean is you don't need to write me a novel. You just need to answer all the questions. So, for example, it says, this film is about how friends deal with online bullying. Which friend's response do you relate to most? You're picking one of these people and telling me why you relate to them, right? One sentence. Okay, so then here's questions 4 through 7. Here's questions 8 and 9. Here's questions 10 through 15. Actually, it goes 10, 11, 12, 13. I skipped one. 14, so then 15. And then these are questions 16, 17, and 18. They're not labeled. The deal with 16, 17, and 18, guys, is you only have to answer one. Okay? I want you to choose one of these questions to answer. But since I'm only having you answer one, I want it to be a pretty thorough answer. Okay? So again, you can skip question 14 because it doesn't exist. And for 15, 16, and 17, no, I'm sorry, for 16, 17, and 18, you only have to pick one. So if I'm going back to my directions here, I can already say that I can get rid of 14 because it doesn't exist. And then for 16, 17, and 18, there's actually only going to be one response, so you can delete the other two. And then you're going to go and read some, not read actually, you're going to listen. One of the 4 videos is me talking. And you are going to answer 3 questions for me. So let me explain this a little bit here. It's kind of a little confusing, so I'm going to go back to my week 3 materials. I'm going to go into bullying and sexual harassment notes. Again, I'm only doing this once I've completed all of the movie questions. Okay, so you want to finish those movie questions, and then you're going to open up these bullying notes. Again, you can download it with this arrow. You don't have to download it. I don't think I'm going to download these. So what you're going to do as soon as it's ready is you're going to read my slides, just like in class. Oops. Oh, it's the same doc. What am I... Hold on one sec. Ah, okay. I put them together. I forgot I put them together. I put them together to make your life easier. So anyway, alright, so you're going to keep going after you answer the homophobic language questions. You're going to keep going, and I have some more slides. You're just going to read over the slides. It's pretty basic stuff, although I will say the topic is a little bit triggering for people, so if you are triggered or if you need support getting through this unit, please contact me. You have to answer 1, 2, 3 questions. These questions found on slide 20. And those answers, guys, are going to go right here under sexual harassment questions. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Soon as you're done with that, you're done with the second learning target and you have your second sticker. Woo! Once you have your second sticker, then you can start this week's material. Okay, this week's material. Let's talk a little bit. I'm not going to talk a lot about it. I'm going to talk a little bit about it. Again, we're going to go up to materials. This week's material is green. So if this helps, guys, first learning target, first sticker, purple. Second learning target, second sticker, yellow. Third learning target, green. Okay, so we're going up to green. We've got some notes, and we've got the assignment, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is click on my assignment. This time it's a link, so I'm going to open or click on that link. I've got some directions. Here's the deal, guys. This is not a document that you can edit, okay? So this is same thing as before. You copy it, you paste it, you go up to File, you go to New, you go to Document, you paste that, you say your name and week 4 help, share it with Christy, share it with me, and then you can start. Okay? So you follow the directions. You answer these 16 questions, okay? And you watch my videos. Most importantly, guys, please just make sure you watch the videos because the videos are going to help you more than the slides, okay? By themselves. And again, my slides can be found right underneath the directions. That's it. You do all 3 of these assignments, you're all caught up for health and you're passing. I don't think this should take you too long. Again, you can use me, call me, text me, email me. I'm bored. Alright, this is all I have for you. Peace out. I hope you're all safe and happy and well. Hope you're wearing masks out there. I don't want any of you to get sick. I miss you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Alright. Bye.